And now you come boy, you want to do DNA test?
I earlier stated that I wouldn't do a blog on Miss Kitty in a negative light. And I hope this will not come across as negative. But some rumors are going around that Miss Kitty husband, that Miss Kitty filed for divorce, and that her husband is requesting DNA. But let us analyze this. Some things are just trivial. Some things just don't make any sense. Because the parties are both lawyers. One is a QC, one is a new training lawyer. So they have experience of the court system. Miss Kitty just celebrated her anniversary a couple of weeks back. Right, about a month or so ago. But that's not even the point. Because me cannot show a ring or no married. So that's not the point. The point is, you cannot file for divorce anywhere at all unless you are separated for 1 year. So you must be separated for 1 year before you can file for divorce. Unless there are some grounds that the marriage couldn't hold up and it would be null and void if that is the case. But I remember the legal term. But 1 year, you have to be separated for 1 year. And even if you go together within the 1 year and have intimacy, the divorce have to start right over again for another year. Secondly, if Miss Kitty husband needs a DNA for the child, he doesn't have to ask Miss Kitty to give him a DNA. Everybody knows how to get a DNA. All he needs is just one strand of hair from the baby head, the baby nipple buckle saliva, the baby soda saliva. So that is all he would require to get a DNA test done. Miss Kitty don't have to give him no baby if you go do a DNA test. What is this? What is... The lady come out and she said she have issues. She didn't say if it was her marriage, and she didn't say, but I realized that it is bloggers paradise. And we just create a whole lot of content, and there's nothing I regret more than that blog that I did earlier. Because it looked like it sent off a whole lot of negative things. And I am not saying that they don't have problem, because every marriage have problem. Me and Chris separated 2,000 times before we married. And after we married, we separated 1,000 times after. Because you're the person not really together until you're not married. So whether it be Miss Kitty, whether it be me, whether it be King Charles, whether it be Truda, it doesn't matter who you are. Marriage is hard. And if when you're married, you're able to stay together for 1 year, that means the marriage can continue. Because the first year of that marriage, that is when the true side will be revealed. The first year after me and Chris married, within a couple months, that was when I moved to Canada, couple months after we get married. And I remember Chris and I were together 8 years before or something like that before. As long, Chris? As long? Whatever. We were together before. And 1 year, couple months after we get married, I see some side of Chris where I never see it. And Chris see some side of me where I never see it. You don't really know the person until you're married. So whether it be Miss Kitty, whether it be me, it don't really matter. Marriage is hard. And you know something? Marriage hard to end to. Marriage just get up and end over there. Oh, people have a problem and they move out. People move back in, people work out. Allow married people to sort out them married people problem, no man. What happened to you, sir? Ash.